Welcome back to our channel. I'm that arty mum Danielle, and here we create and share art-inspired ideas and activities to do with toddlers and preschoolers. When it comes to art with toddlers, it is often process focused rather than producing a finished art piece. Well, for today's activity, we're going to combine the two with the handy use of masking tape to make a toddler painted seascape. So let's get started.
For today's project, we will need paper for masking, a canvas or board, brushes and sponges, acrylic paint, some plastic containers and masking tape. To prepare the canvas for the kids to work on, we are going to use the paper to mask off different sections for them to explore at a time. The first section we're masking is the sky, using the straight edge of the paper to line out the horizon. Here I am folding a couple of bits of masking tape over themselves to use to stick the paper in place. The following sections to be masked off will be the wave breaks in the sea. To mimic the shape and flow of the waves, I'm tearing the edges of these pieces of paper to give a more organic edge. The last section of the sea will be a narrow strip of paper for where the sea foam hits the shore. Now, as we are painting with toddlers, I know that these loose edges of paper will be far too tempting not to pull off, so I'm using a bit more of the masking tape to stick down the edges, and then I am trimming any excess off with a pair of scissors. Before heading outside, I mixed up a quick palette of colours for the boys to paint with, and as we will be painting from the bottom of the painting up, the first palette of colours are sandy tones. In addition to the palette of paint, we're going to fill our plastic containers with water and then scoop up a bit of paint with our brushes to tint the water to make some pourable paint for the little ones to explore. As the sun is shining, what better place to paint than outside? With just one section exposed, the kids can paint and explore to their heart's content. Once I brought the pourable paints out, the kids got really excited and eager to give it a try. This part is where the masking is really useful. Normally I would have waited for the first layer to dry before peeling off the mask, but the paper got a little too saturated on this first round, so off it came. Once that layer had dried, I mixed up a palette of blues and tore another piece of paper to cover the part of the painting the boys had finished, leaving the second section exposed and ready to paint. We then kept repeating those steps, working our way up to the top of the painting. Once all the sections were painted and dried, we are left with a beautiful abstract toddler painted seascape. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, we'd love for you to like and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.